Hello friends, I'm Chawla. I'm MTO approved driving instructor working with the AIAC driving school. And today we are in Oakville and we are going to go to G2 test route in Oakville. They have got two routes. We are going to both the routes one by one. And hopefully this video is going to help you to pass your test. And if you have any question about the route and about the learning car driving, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Okay, now let's go to Oakville G2 route number 1. And first we park in this parking lot, and examiner will come and check your car, like a left, like they'll check your indicators, brake, and then they will tell you to go. Take left here, left, look around, and start your test from here, from the parking lot. Take a right here. There's no stop sign here, just make sure you check it, and then look around and then go. And then we'll take left on the Wycraft Road, and there's no stop sign here, just but make sure you look both side everywhere, keep the indicator on, look both side, no one is coming. We take left here, and on the Wycraft Road speed limit is 50, only single lane here, and speed limit is 50 here. Don't exceed speed limit. 50 meaning is 49, not 51. So maintain speed limit 50, and look all the driveways everywhere. When you're going straight, look for any hazards coming in their way. And it's 50 here. Then the examiner will tell you to first traffic light, we will take left there, and the left indicator, go to the left lane. Mirror, signal, blind spot, you have to check before going there. And light is red, we have to take a left here and stop at the line, and wait for the light turn to green. When you're waiting here, don't keep on staring at the light, just look both sides, look everywhere, look around. Anybody can come with your front, check back mirror every 5 seconds. So you have to make sure, look everywhere. Anybody can start, any pedestrian can start, like once you turn. Look around, anybody can come to your way. Yeah, look like light is going to change soon. Look around everywhere. Okay, light is green, look both sides before starting. Take left here, go to the leftmost lane here, and then speed limit is 60 here. Then change it to right, MSB, mirror, signal, blind spot, and change to the right lane. And every 5 seconds check your back mirror. We should know what is going on behind us too. And keep at the speed of 60. Don't exceed speed limit. When the light is green, you're passing through the intersection, make sure you check both sides. Don't keep on just going straight only. No light turn to red, still you have to keep on checking everywhere. Look for the sides, any pedestrian can come to your right on your way. Just keep on looking everywhere. Behind me cars are coming, like I have to see front also. Look on the both sides before starting. And now the speed limit is 50, so go to 50 here. Look around, look everywhere. Don't exceed speed limit. Look all the small street. And look at the traffic light. After that, they may take you to any of these streets, left side, right side. We'll go to the next street there, but they can take you to any street. It's not like particular, they have one particular street to take there. They can take you to any street to do the parking things. So we'll take a left from the first street. Check mirror, signal, blind spot. We'll go to the first street here. That's a Wyatt Street, and we'll take a left here, go to the left to the first street. And after that, in these streets they will ask you to do 3-point turn, parallel parking, like that. And then we'll go back from the street and will gain. After doing 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking, they will take you out back on the Bounty Road. First the stop sign here, make sure stop here completely, complete stop, then move further, check no one coming, take right here, and the speed limit is gain 50 here. Go to 50, don't exceed speed limit. They will drive a little bit and more in the street. We are not going into the street so much, and we are going back after that, like doing the parking stuff. And you're passing through in the intersection, check both sides. Look both sides like this. See, this is showing that like we are going in this street and one more lane is merging with that street, okay? And keep an eye on that side also. Yeah, so when one lane becomes 2 lanes, mirror, signal, blind spot, and change to the right lane after that. For this one, the examiner won't tell you. You have to do by yourself. They will wait for you to do it. Make sure you do it. Yeah. When you're standing at the intersection, keep on checking both sides. Yeah, look. See, somebody is like going, even though our light is green, but he was going. That's okay. Just give them space also. Look, front, back, everywhere. Check back for every 5 seconds. We should know what is going on behind us too. On the first traffic light, they will tell you take a right here, right indicator, blind spot. See, light is green, I can take a right on Bycroft Road. Yeah, and then you go straight here, speed limit is 50 here, and it's written here, this lane is ending. So speed up and change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and change it to left. For this one, examiner won't tell you. You have to do by yourself, and make sure you do it. And speed limit is 50 here. Maintain your speed. And in the exam, they will ask you parallel parking, 3-point turn, back parking also. For that, you can watch my another videos also. I have made very beautiful videos about the doing back parking and parallel parking. You can have a look on those videos. They are very useful to learn the parking things. And then they will tell you take a right inside the test center. Put the right indicator, check a right blind spot, and look around. And then they may take you take left here, right here, anywhere. So you go inside. Here sometimes some people are doing back parking. Give them enough space. Don't go like too close to them. Yeah, give them a space. Yeah, like this is park. This car is parking back parking. So give them a space. Don't go too close. Yeah, good. And after that, examiner will tell you to park anywhere, back parking or straight parking. Once again, for the back parking, you can learn from my another videos. He will tell you to park somewhere here, or park here. Then the examiner will tell you, congratulations, you passed your test. Go and get your license from inside. Go and get your license. Hopefully, this video is going to help you. Best of luck. I hope this video is going to help you to pass your test. If you have any question about the driving and about learning car driving, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chawla.